Since 1977, the Support Center for Child Advocates has been providing legal and social service advocacy to abused and neglected children in Philadelphia. We team volunteer attorneys with staff social workers and consulting lawyers to help secure permanent loving homes for children in crisis. Last year, more than 350 volunteer attorneys advocated successfully for over 750 children in crisis.
Well, I support the Child Advocates because it has a direct effect on people in our community.
The work they do is incredible. There are so many children who are in need of someone to speak for them, to help them, and to save them.
Child Advocates offers a lot of services for a population of students that our core members work with on a day-to-day basis.
I work at an environmental law firm where the lawyers in our firm represent some of the children here in their legal interests. So that's one of the main reasons we support the Child Advocates.
Children who find themselves in the courts are in a tough spot. And whether they're there because they've been abused or neglected, or they're there because they're testifying against someone who has abused or neglected them, they need a voice, and a lot of times that voice should be that of a grown-up and a professional.
I support Child Advocates because I think the work they do is just so wonderful and important to the children of the Philadelphia area. They provide a unique service to underserved children, and we just at Children's Hospital rely on them to help us with our cases when we need the kind of support that they can provide.
The Holiday Toy Drive is a very important part of the Support Center for Child Advocates. It helps bring joy to the lives of children, and it also helps show them that there are people out there who care about them and want to help.
It's just really exciting. All of our core members, like I said, work with students every day, and so they really understand the value of small things to bring joy to a child's life and how much impact it can have. So they all get really excited about it around the holidays, and it's just another type of service that we can offer to the children that we're working with every day. And it's really fun. We walk into our office, and it's the first thing you see is the pile of toys and the little profiles for staff members and core members to take to go out and shop.
It's a lot of fun. We get to go shopping for the children, and when I first got involved with it, I was amazed at all the people that they can't wait for the labels to come in so they can go shopping and get things.
I would say anyone who hasn't had an opportunity to participate in the Support Center Toy Drive is really missing out on a critical part of the holiday spirit. Really, it would be a wonderful thing for you and your family and your organization. There's nothing you could do that would be more meaningful in terms of the modern spirit of the holiday season than to help out underserved children and help them to enjoy the spirit of the season.
I work with a number of great people, and one of the people that I work with has really inspired a lot of us to get involved, stay involved, and do good things with this toy drive. And her name is Lisa Lewis. Lisa works extremely hard, year in and year out, to organize the toy drive for Blank Room. She not only gets all of the lawyers, the paralegals, the secretaries involved, she gets supports staff, the whole Blank Room crew involved, and she organizes this parade that comes down Cherry Street and delivers as many as we possibly can. And every year Lisa gets more and more creative. She sends out messages that really hit home with everybody about the need to do it, about the kids who are the purpose for it, and she inspires people to give things beyond just toys.
I am an author and poet, and I send out a calendar to all my friends with my work, but also with the dates of the toy drive for this year and next year.
When I first got started with it, people would bring in their toys and things for the children, and when I said, well, we can just put them on the desk down there, we're not going to need that much room. Next thing, the desk was overflowing, the floor was overflowing, the closet was overflowing, and the conference room was overflowing with things that people had brought in for the kids.
for me personally, one of the highlights in my participation in the toy drive was an occasion when I actually came down to the support center on the day that they were doing the deliveries and worked with the staff here to help load the trucks and to see the huge number of people who are participating in the actual delivery day. Sort of gave everyone a chance to feel like they were being a Santa for the day.
So it's fun, you go shopping, you get a present for a kid, and it's a really simple, easy way to bring, some joy to a child's life during the holiday season.
I would say to someone thinking of volunteering for the toy drive, if you want to have a direct effect in your community, if you want to improve the life of a kid in your community, if you want to show your kids how they should give back in their community, then this is the perfect way to do it.
By getting involved with the toy drive at the Support Center for Child Advocates, you can help change the story for a child this holiday season. For more information and to get involved, please contact Child Advocates at 267-940-1601. Help change the story for abused and neglected children.